Welcome to our explainer. Today, we're diving into the 1940 Rotterdam bombing and its massive, devastating global consequences.
One single, tragic mistake, but it literally rewrote the rules of World War II forever.
After 4 exhausting days fighting, Rotterdam was surrounded by May 14th, setting a terrifying timeline in motion.
Surrender Rotterdam, or we bomb it. This severe ultimatum left Dutch commanders with an impossible, devastating choice.
Facing total destruction, the Dutch commanders quickly began negotiating. They were actually fully willing to surrender the city.
But terrifyingly, the bombing order was already active. Heavily armed German bombers were flying directly toward them.
Desperate to stop the impending attack, troops frantically fired 2 red flares to signal the bombers to abort.
Tragically, fate split the formation. Group 1 saw the flares and turned back. Group 2 entirely missed them.
At exactly 1:27 p.m., those 57 remaining bombers unleashed everything directly onto Rotterdam's historic city center.
It took just 15 minutes. In that tiny window, the historic heart of the city was completely vaporized.
The human cost was absolutely brutal. At least 800 civilians died instantly in the falling, crushing rubble.
And the physical devastation, a staggering 24,000 buildings were entirely wiped off the map, gone.
Over 78,000 people were suddenly left homeless, wandering the burning streets while fires raged for days.
A second ultimatum threatened Utrecht next. The commander surrendered, and the entire Netherlands capitulated that exact same afternoon. So, we have to ask, how did this one localized mistake completely change World War II forever?
Well, seeing a European city completely bombed into rubble absolutely shocked the rest of the world.
Before this, Britain and France actually restricted their air forces, avoiding German cities to prevent civilian retaliation.
But Rotterdam changed everything. Immediately after, all those previous restrictions on aerial warfare completely came off. This birthed unrestricted city bombing. We're talking about the deliberate targeting and destruction of civilian cities from the air.
Unrestricted warfare was the new, terrifying reality. If destroying civilian cities was standard practice, who would be next?